How does the idea of earning about 39% APR on your stable coin sounds to you? Well, to me, it sounds amazing, right? Like if you keeping money on your bank account, it would give you 4%. If you are using mutual fund, it would give you 10, 12%. But here in this world of DeFi, you can earn 20% fixed return, or you can optimize it more by following this particular trick and earn about 39%. And exactly that's what yield farming is all about, right? Front running everybody else and finding the great opportunity, moving your funds quickly and generate that extra return. And here at CoinSutra, I've been teaching you all this in the past few years. And if you have been following CoinSutra, you might have started making that life changing money. And in this video, I would show you how you can earn 39% plus APY with your stable coin. So without further delay, let's go ahead, let's do this. Hi everyone, I'm Harsh Agarwal. I'm the founder of CoinSutra.com. And if you have been watching my videos for a while, thank you so much. And if you're the first time on my channel, do like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. It would change your life for sure. And the technique which I'm talking about is from this upcoming network called Polygon Matic network, which is becoming very popular. And Beefy.finance, and I've done a video on Beefy.finance. Now, recently they have added support for Polygon, and now you can access polygon.beefy.finance to generate 39.27% using Aave platform, which is one of the most secure platform and something that I would definitely rely on to generate extra yield. Now you can earn 39.27% yield, which is pretty amazing. But the process is not very simple, so bear with me. I'll walk you through all the steps. You might need to watch one or two of my earlier videos, and I'll give you a walkthrough of how to go about doing this. But a little background before we do that. So when you're doing your portfolio management, you should definitely keep 10 to 15% of your portfolio in stable coins, because whenever the market dips 10, 15, 20%, you should be able to, you need to have that much of fund so that you could redeploy in the market to generate extra return. And then when the market corrects, you can always do portfolio rebalancing and take out that 10, 15% in stable coin. But the bigger question is, where would you park this stable coin? One of the simplest and most popular way is using Binance saving account. So Binance offer a saving account feature which you can access by going to Binance Earn, and you can park your USDT for in the flexible investment using 5.79%, and for the fixed saving you can get 6.66%. Though I highly recommend use flexible savings, because you don't know when would you need that fund, when would you get that opportunity to deploy that fund, and flexible savings allows you to do that. But 6% is not great, right? Like when there are platform like Anchor which gives you 20% fixed return, and I have already shared a tutorial on how to do that. If you have not looked into it, you should definitely look into it. I'll leave the link in the description for all the things I'm talking about, so do check out description, follow all the links and level up your knowledge. Now here is what you can do. So what we are looking at here is, instead of Binance, you can use Anchor protocol to generate 20% return. But if you're already using Anchor to generate 20% return, you can actually move your fund to Beefy.finance and generate 39% return, which is almost double than what Anchor protocol is offering. And I think it's pretty amazing to get that kind of return. So here are the process. The very first thing you need to do is you need to move your funds to Matic chain. Now to do that, I've already published 2 videos on how to migrate from Ethereum to Polygon. In that video, you will learn how you can add Matic chain to your MetaMask wallet. And in the second video, I've showed you how you can move your fund from your exchange to Matic chain for cheapest way possible. And this is exactly what we are going to do today. So what you need to do is you need to move your fund from Binance or anywhere else you have on SNDX, which is another very popular platform. Earlier they were known as BitMax with MAX. Now they have rebranded themselves as SNDX. Now what you need to do is you need to sell your funds, like whichever fund you want to deploy for this fixed return. And by the way, it's not fixed return. It will keep varying over a period of time, but at least you got an idea. What you need to do is you need to sell your coin for Matic. So now you have, let's say, $1,000 worth of Matic for an example. Now you will withdraw this Matic to your MetaMask wallet using Matic network. This is the option that you would be using. The reason we are doing this is because we are saving on the gas fee, and we are using this chain on ramp using this platform withdrawal feature. And by the way, this video is for the advanced user. If you are beginner, then I would recommend you to check out my earlier videos, and then you will understand this technique much better. So now you have Matic on your MetaMask wallet. Now what do you do next? You go to Quick Swap, and in the Quick Swap, you swap your Matic for USDC. Make sure that you keep some Matic on your wallet, because that will be used to pay the gas fee. So now let's say you have about 950 or 970 odd USDC. Now you go to polygon.beefy.finance, and here you basically add funds here, and then it will start generating this amazing APY return, which will keep changing, fluctuating over time, but at least for now you can generate this kind of return, which is pretty amazing. So guys, that's the way you go about it. Let me see if I missed anything. No, we covered everything. I know it's more of a theory than practical, but I'm assuming that you have seen my earlier videos. If you have not, I'll leave the link of all these videos in the description. You can also click on my channel name and check out other videos. But this is a great opportunity to optimize your return using polygon.beefy.finance and Aave network. And with that, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.